How to fix? There was a problem while playing Playback ID problem on YouTube. The solution is very easy and simple. So follow these simple steps. So first long press on YouTube apps and click on app info. After that, now click on storage and cache. First clear storage and click on OK button. Now go back and click on permission. Now enable all these permission. After that, open Play Store. Click on search bar. Now type YouTube. First update your YouTube app update option available. After updating, this problem will be fixed easily. Thanks for watching.